You gonna drink that cheap stuff?
I don't know where we're at then. Where do you want me to start?
Stop recording. All right, look what we're making today, Laura. Do you know what we're making?
No.
Turn your cheap wine into awesome wine. Let's just get into this video because I can't wait to show you how to do this.
Wash me in the water and I'll never go back. Even when I'm walking through dead man paths. Wash me in the water and I'll never go back.
Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you're liking and subscribing, right?
Yeah.
What's the Instagram
Oh,
called?
the Instagram, HowToDoneRight.
Because you might have already seen this on there. And let's just get into this video because I want to show you what these things are really for. All right, me and Laura found these on the Amazon store. We got links to all this stuff you're going to see in the description. But what these are is these are a cold brew system that you can make great coffee. I'm going to show you here in this part of the video where you grind the beans, you put the beans in, you sit it in the refrigerator for 24 hours, and you have cold brew like this. That's what this is, cold brew. That's delicious. But there's better ways to use these, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm excited for this one. So originally, we purchased these from Amazon to make cold brew coffee. And they make fabulous cold brew coffee. They're dishwasher safe, which I like. We can put everything in. Todd grinds up the beans, puts the water in. Both of them are really nice pieces. This one we bought, this will fit 1 bottle of wine. We actually were surprised to find out that 2 bottles of wine fits in the larger one. So I don't know where we're at then. Where do you want me to start?
Stop recording.
So Todd actually thought of a different way to use these. So what we did was we bought some less expensive wine, infused it with some fruit, and it made it taste amazing. So today we're going to show you how to do that.
So what all comes with this, hon?
So you get the instructions for the cold brew coffee. Again, you can use it for multiple things.
They should put this recipe in for our
Yeah.
infused wine.
Yeah, or anything really. The lid, nice, heavy duty. Again, put it in the dishwasher, my favorite
Horrible
part.
spout, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And one thing that's nice, it's got a gasket on the inside. This thing will not leak if you shake this.
I don't know what this is called.
Like a filter of
Yeah,
some kind.
I guess.
Really fine mesh. So
Yes.
when you're putting coffee in here, you want to crush real beans.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to put like a powdered coffee in this.
Yeah, no, you got to do it yourself. And again, just really good quality. And I like that there's 2 sizes, especially if he's making cold brew coffee for me or for both of us for the week. In this case, 1 bottle of wine or 2 bottles of wine.
And I highly recommend you get the bigger one because, to be honest, there's only like a $3 difference on Amazon on this. Let's just make this wine infused.
Oh, I forgot to talk about the brush.
Oh, yeah,
so if
brush
you're not
comes
going to
with
use
it?
the dishwasher and you're going to wash by hand, this cleans that inside mesh perfectly.
Where's
That's
my
green.
Where's my big brush? Because this one comes with a big brush.
Yeah, I don't know. I like this
She
little one.
probably used it for the toilets, is my guess. So, honey, what kind of fruit are we going to make today?
So today we're going to use blueberries and strawberries. We're going to use the blueberries for the darker wine, strawberries for the whiter wine or the rosé.
What kind of fruits can you use?
Whatever you want. You can use mangoes, pineapples, just about anything that you want. Any flavor, whatever your favorite is. Peach might be really good.
And the reason we're using these frozen blueberries is because it's just going to work better in our chopper. You could put fresh in here if you want, but just break the skins a little bit. Remember, frozen's going to chop a little bit better. Now we're just going to add it to the filter, right, hon?
Yep. We didn't chop them up a lot, just enough to break them up a little bit. Okay, blueberries are in. We chopped our strawberries. We're going to get those put in. It smells really good.
It looks good.
I'm making a little bit of a mess. That's okay.
Get it all in.
Yeah.
So this is going to turn out to be like a strawberry wine. And then the other one is going to be a dark blueberry red wine. All right, honey, what did you fix my mistake?
Well, it was actually my mistake. However, we didn't catch it until too late. So I had the blueberries in here and the strawberries in here. That's not what we wanted. So we took an intermission and I switched it. So I needed more strawberries and then I transferred the blueberries into the smaller one because we want the 2 bottles of wine with the strawberry.
Now, you notice I'm not using my wine over here because if you watch this channel, we make great wine. The whole purpose of this video is to turn, what, honey?
Well, maybe some less expensive types of wine.
Into great wine.
Yeah.
Infused wine. This is going to taste like strawberry. It's going to take this wine over the top.
Look at the color already. from
Oh,
this
yeah.
to that.
Strawberry. Make sure you save that bottle, honey, because that will be used for my wine.
Yes.
And remember, the bigger one's going to hold about 2 bottles. She likes cheap wine.
I like all wine. I am not a wine snob, but by any means. Yours is the best.
Wine snob. I haven't heard that in a while. We had some wine snobs. Remember that video we did?
I do remember.
Boy, I smell that.
You should be
wine.
over here. It's just taking a little longer because it's getting closer, but I think we might get both bottles in here.
All right, let's fast forward. All right, now what kind? That's a red wine, right?
Yeah, this is a Cab Sauv.
And we're just going to take it over the top by using a red wine because, again, these bottles of wine were only like $5 or $6. We're infusing this with the blueberries, but we made blueberry wine on this channel. That's one of my wife's and my favorite, one of the very first wines we ever did.
Yeah. I cannot believe the change in color already, just from that to that.
Beautiful. It's like a pink now, isn't it?
And we didn't put any sugar, no sweetener, just the fruit. I don't think the rest of that's going to fit in there.
Oh, yeah. You fill that all the way to the top.
You think?
Yeah.
What if it overflows? Half a glass.
Here, honey.
Thanks.
That's her tip for the day.
It's my payment.
That one might look like it's going to fit. Yeah, you don't have much left on that one. 2 bottles, perfect.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, our wine is in there now. I'm going to seal them up. Make sure your lids are on really good, or else you could have a small disaster on your hands. And like Todd said, it's got that gasket in, or what do you call that thing?
Gasket.
Gasket. It's got that in there, so it seals it nice and tight. And just give it a little, not too much. I don't want any of that fruit coming out the top.
You can't.
It can't? Wow.
Because the seal goes all the way up.
Oh. I didn't want any of the fruit
You'll
coming
see
out.
that tomorrow. Because what are we going to do? We're going to stick these in the fridge for 24 hours.
Yep.
And in between that, feel free to open your fridge and just stir them up just like Laura's doing here now. Fast forward 24 hours, and I can't wait to see the finished result. You going to drink that cheap stuff?
It's not bad. It's not yours, but it's not bad.
All right, let's go. All right, it's been 24 hours. Laura just got this out of the refrigerator. You can see the strawberry one we got and that blueberry. What are we going to do next, hon?
We're going to remove the lids and take out the fruit.
She can't get it.
I can't get it open.
All right, so remember, you can see, we talked about this a little bit. Do you see how the screen all the way comes up to the lip here? So nothing can get in there. That's what we want. Oh, jeez.
I'm sorry. It's on tight, isn't it? I think you did that when you shook them to make sure.
How's it smell?
Amazing.
All right, so now what we're going to do is lift them screens up and let them drip dry a little bit. You could push this out a little bit with one of these if you wanted, or you can just let it. It depends if you're okay with fine particles or not. That looks delicious. I can't wait to taste this. I hope you can see the color of this one because it's almost like, I don't know, what would you say? Like a orange color.
Yeah, I was going to say like maybe a peach.
Well, I really smell it now.
Yeah, doesn't it smell good? This blueberry smells even better.
Do you see how the filter, it's a very fine filter, so it's not going to allow for big particles to go through that. And it's the same way when you're making coffee. I will speed this up a little bit.
That smells so good.
All right, pour those, honey. We got to try these.
Which one do you want to try first?
I don't care. All right, let's taste those, hon. The strawberry and the blueberry.
I want to try this one first.
Pour a glass of each. That's a beautiful color.
Yeah, and still be careful. There's still a little bit of sediment, so be careful when you're pouring it.
That is a nice strawberry wine. And look at that dark blueberry. Hold those up.
That's gorgeous. I
All right,
love
you
this.
try that one, I'll try this one. Oh, that's good. You can really taste that
really good.
strawberry in there.
Yeah.
They're very dry wines,
Yes.
for sure. Not our typical wine that we like, a little sweetener to it.
Yeah. Well,
But
and we didn't sweeten the fruit either. So,
Nope.
Yep, we just put the fruit in straight.
But that's how you infuse. I do want to show you one more thing that you can do because you can put these back in the fridge and use that there. But because we basically got 3 bottles of wine, I'm going to put these back in the wine bottles they came in. And we'll be able to enjoy these for the whole week and show you our little other secret over there. See if she makes a mess like she usually does.
Ha.
And there you go. You'll have wine for the week.
Oh, lid closed on me. It smells so good.
Oh, it's gonna fill that up nice.
Yeah. So short, I can't see.
There you go. One of my other favorite things, these things, because this will keep your wine for very long periods of time. I think I did a test on this in a video. I think it was like 2 weeks. It's basically sucking all that air out. That's what we want. And that's it. Enjoy the wine. Cheers. I hope you like this video. I got something special coming up that I can't wait to show you. I just thought of it today.
Let you down. Crooked and twisted, we grow from the ground. From dust we came in, dust we shall return.